Hi people, good day, good day, good day. This is your lady Zenobia Munyangala Chilaka from Italy. I just want to drop a short video about our men. I spoke about our women and their hormonal imbalances. Today I want to talk a little bit about our men and some of the problems we have just because their hormones are not balanced, and we or they don't really know it's because their hormones are not balanced. For example, I have two examples I want to give this afternoon. In some marriages, like from our society where we are coming from, if there is a marriage that has taken long to bring out I mean children, the problem is always that the woman is not able to give birth to children. The woman has this, the woman has that. Sometimes, my people, it can be the men, and some of them is just because of hormonal imbalances that can cause them low sperm count or can cause them erection. The hormone that actually deals with that, or the male reproductive organ, is the testosterone. Testosterone, yeah. These names are not very easy to call. Which is the hormone that actually deals with that part of their body. And if your woman is not getting pregnant and has gone to the hospital, the doctor says she is okay to get pregnant, please, my people, you too can go for that control to know where the problem is coming from, to know if the problem is yours or the problem is coming from the woman. It's always good to know where the problem is coming from so that you can deal with it. These things can be as little as just adjusting your meals, adjusting what you eat, adjusting your nutrients for your body to spark up again and be the way it was before. Some of the things that actually cause these imbalances are alcohol, cigarettes, even smoking strong cigarettes like banga, marijuana. They cause hormonal imbalances that leads to a man being infertile or unfertile. So if you go and control yourself and see that that is the problem, you can deal with it. Limit it, clean your body. We have products that can cleanse you, give you deep detox of your body. Even your flesh, it detoxes your flesh, under your flesh. If you have oily skin, you detox, you get off. It will give you that deep detox, that your body will be clean and you can go over it again. It's not to allow your woman to be insulted from every angle. The mother-in-law is there asking questions, sisters-in-law, friends asking questions, and when a woman finds herself in that situation, just asking her, how about your kids? If they don't have kids, some of them just start crying because of the amount of insults they are receiving, when the problem might not even be them, it can be you. And I've seen situations where the man actually refused in total that he is not going to any hospital. He doesn't have a problem. But meanwhile, they are the problem. Why is it so hard for some of us to go and control our body? These things come with age. As you are growing up, there are many things that you take into this body that are not supposed to be taken into the body. And so they can lead you to that situation. But if you control it and know how to deal with it, you will be okay. So our men, know that you have a part in your body that if that part is not functioning well, you will not be able to pregnant a woman. And there are common things that cause that part not to function well, like alcohol that you take every day, excess, like cigarette that you take every day, excess, and other stress, too much work, you don't rest. It causes all those things. It's not that it's only the woman that has to control, only the woman that has to clean, only the woman that has to. The work in the house, including all this congestion, is so weighing on some of them. You see, they grow old without age. Why? Because of stress, what they think, what you add, what your family add, and when you might be the problem. You will see a marriage, the man is old, the girl is young. If the girl doesn't produce, why do you point finger on that girl? Your brother should go and control to know if it is a problem or if the problem is coming from him. Because as he ages, many things runs down in the body. The body has to be upgraded, and they are not taking anything to support the body to upgrade itself. And there's another point. We also accuse our men of having ladies outside, of having side chicks, because they come back to the house, they don't have erection, or when they have erection, 2 seconds it's down. It is hormonal imbalance, my people. Majority is hormonal imbalance. It's not because they did it there and they cannot do it this way or that. It's hormonal imbalances. Some of them, when they have issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, they don't get erection because they have their blood is not flowing well. Our blood is so connected with our reproductive system. So if your blood is not flowing well, automatically your anxiety for love making will be low, or even you want to do it, it becomes difficult. Sometimes you get the erection, it doesn't last. Why? Because your blood is not flowing well. Your blood is not flowing well. And it's just something very simple. We have a little product, just a little product like that. If you take it, it's far from me, I would have shown you. If you take it, it gives you easy blood flow. It gives you that anxiety. It makes your body come back. So please, if you have issues like that, call me. And I cannot even blame the women that are accusing them, because some of them, you will be facing issues like that. You are hiding it from your wife. Why now? It can be dealt with. Just 1 second, you are over it. 3 days, if you take our products, 3 days, you are over it. Everything balances. 3 days, you don't need more. From the 3rd day, you start feeling your body normal. Make them get a little bit of exercise. When you are exercising your body, every part of your body is activated, and so you obviously function very well. Sometimes you see marriages, women are having 3 beautiful girls, 4 girls. They are not happy because they did not give birth to a male child. It's the man that is having the sex of a child, not the woman. Then we only have womb to carry the child. Children are not coming from us women. Our womb is just there to carry that baby. We don't produce them. We have egg that you just have to bring the baby and put there. Our egg start growing that child. So if you don't have a male child and anybody is talking anything on your ears, just tell them to send the brother to go and bring male child that they are hungry of. And you will see some men, they have children, they are not happy because they have girl children, they don't have a successor. Give your wife a male child, please. This is not actually our topic. I just added this one because it's something that came to my brain, that I've seen women suffering because they did not give birth to a male child. It's your husband that has to give you a male child. All these things are little things that concerns our body, that concerns our health, that we are supposed to know about them, so that you will not be suffering for nothing. Because women are there, they have beautiful kids, but they don't look happy. You ask her because she did not give birth to a male child. What is wrong with some of us? If you don't have a male child and any person asks you a question, direct them to your husband, because he is the one that has to give you a male child to carry. So people, you should be wise. Just listen to this video, share it to any woman or any man that you think is suffering from these issues, so that they can use this idea and go to the direction that is supposed to be treated. Let them not stay there aggravating situations that is not supposed to be aggravated. They should go and control themselves. It is but normal that we should control ourselves in the hospital. I don't know why some people find it very difficult to go to the doctor. They find it very difficult to go and know what is wrong with them. They find it very difficult to go and control. Our body is supposed to be controlled. It's not somebody that is sick that goes to the hospital. You can just tell your doctor you need a total body control, you go and control. I had a friend who it was a very big issue for her husband to follow her to the hospital to go and do control to know if the problem is coming from her or from the girl, and they divorced. The marriage ended there. The man said no, he cannot go to the hospital, and the girl is not giving birth to children. When that was not the issue, that was, even if she cannot give birth, it can be fixed. All those things can be fixed. With the world trend today, it has shown that all those things can be fixed easily. Even though in those days they make us to know that they are difficult things, they will make you to drink this grass. My people, don't